Step into the 1988 Mercedes-Benz 560 series. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are convertible, trip odometer, cruise control, captain's chairs, rear shoulder harness, air conditioning, tachometer, map pockets, map lights and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.